Think of a liability insurance as a shield, standing between your business and expensive lawsuits. When accidents happen, that shield can mean the difference between a small setback and a devastating financial hit. Without that protection, you're completely exposed. If a customer slips, trips, or gets hurt on your property, you could face medical bills, legal fees, and settlement payouts, all coming straight out of your pocket. Even a single claim can cost more than some businesses make in an entire year. Next Insurance offers affordable general liability insurance built specifically for small businesses. It helps cover medical costs, legal defense, and payouts, so one accident doesn't jeopardize everything you've built. You can customize your coverage to fit your exact needs. Get proof of insurance instantly and manage your policy anytime, all from your phone or computer, without complicated paperwork or long wait times. Conduct regular safety checks, look for spills, loose cables, and other hazards. Not only does it reduce accident, but it can also help you keep your insurance rates lower. Don't leave your business unprotected. Put your shield in place today. Click the link in the description to get your next insurance quote in minutes.